Hey everyone, this is Sri from Techie Talks AI, where we break down complex AI and software topics into practical, deployable solutions. Now let's face it, building authentication and security systems from scratch is not for the faint of heart. Unless you have spent years mastering secure session management, encryption, token lifecycles, password hashing, and all the OAuth's best practices, it is easy to get something dangerously wrong. That is why smart developers don't reinvent authentication. They use trusted, off-the-shelf frameworks built and maintained by experts. And today I'll show you one such brilliant solution, Better-Auth. Hi, welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we showcase hands-on demos and insights into AI, automation, and no-code tools. We have created several make.com modules to simplify no-code automation for you. Subscribe and join us on this journey into the future of technology. An open source, framework agnostic, TypeScript-based authentication library that lets you integrate secure sign-up, login, sessions, and even two-factor authentication into a SaaS product in minutes. Whether you are building with Next.js Fast API or any modern stack, Better-Auth makes it simple, safe, and scalable without compromising control over your own user data. And no, this is not a sponsored video. I just love sharing genuinely powerful tools that help you protect your online business and move faster with confidence. So buckle up. In this video, we are going to set up a complete auth system from scratch using Better-Auth inside a Docker-based Next.js app and see how easy secure authentication can actually be. So this is the website. Let's have a quick overview of the documentation to see the features. Like I said before, Better-Auth is a framework agnostic authentication and authorization framework for TypeScript. It provides a complete extensible solution for managing users, sessions, and permissions without tying you to any single web framework. The key features: framework agnostic, works with most modern TypeScript frameworks, email and password authentication, secure built-in sign-up and login flow, account and session management, easy session handling with cookies and or tokens, automatic database management, schema and migrations handled automatically, rate limiting, built-in protection against brute force attacks, social sign-on, supports multiple OAuth providers, organizations and access control, built-in roles, organizations and permissions, two-factor authentication, optional for added security, plugin ecosystem, extend with features like multi-tenancy, passkeys, or enterprise SSO. AI and developer integrations, it has LLMs.txt. Okay, so this is the LLMs.txt for AI integrators, helps AI models understand Better-Auth's API for automated integrations. MCP, Model Context Protocol, provides an MCP server to connect Better-Auth directly with AI tools like Claude or Cursor IDE. In short, Better-Auth saves developers from complex, risky work of building authentication logic manually, offering secure, extensible, and TypeScript native authentication for any modern SaaS or web app. Let's get started. So this is a super quick demonstration. I will walk you through the project structure. So we have the app folder that contains the Next.js application, and app auth has the root.ts, which is a catch-all API root that handles all authentication requests. That is API auth sign in and sign up, and they get passed to Better-Auth handler. So here, API auth has the root.ts file, which includes Better-Auth. Then we have the dashboard URL, that is protected dashboard page. Only authenticated users have access to it. It verifies the user's session before rendering. So essentially, dashboard is the authenticated protected page we will demonstrate. And we have a scripts folder that contains the entry point for the application, and also it creates the initial database migration. We will use SQLite to keep it simple, but the initial user tables, etc., are created using the scripts that is there in the scripts folder, start.sh script, which is present in the scripts folder. So here, Better-Auth CLI migrate is what is going to create the initial database. And we have the simple docker compose.yaml. We are mounting this SQLite volume for the database. Later on, you can upgrade this easily by switching to PostgreSQL. Now, to add Better-Auth to your application, what you need to do is you need to npm install the library, create this auth.ts file to initialize Better-Auth. So inside lib, we have auth.ts file that has the code to initialize Better-Auth. So here we have two functions. One is to create a new user when they sign up. Another is search for a user by email when they log in. Then we have the sign-in page. Then we have the sign-in page and the dashboard page. In dashboard page, we are using auth API get session to check if user is authenticated. So inside dashboard page.tsx, so here we are getting the session from Better-Auth, and if it is not there, we will redirect the user back to the sign-in page. That is it. Database migration is there in the start.sh. We have the Docker file, and this is how we start the application. I have already started the application to save time. I will provide the complete blog article for you to see how simple it is in the description. Okay, so let's quickly browse. So this is the public page, and it has link to sign in and dashboard. And if you click on dashboard, if we are not already signed in, it'll redirect us to the sign in page. That is what we saw here inside dashboard page.tsx. If there is no session, it'll redirect us to the sign in page. Okay, and in the sign in page, we have the option to sign up, to create a new account, or sign in. I've already created the account, and if you click on sign in, it will take us to the dashboard. And here we are just printing the session. So if you look at the dashboard, here we are printing JSON stringify session, and we print the session for us to see how Better-Auth maintains the session. So this is a super quick demo to tell you that it is important that you use such libraries instead of building your own auth. Because when I see new interns building applications or new recruits building applications, they think they can do. Actually, you don't do it, because I've been conducting secure software development for Fortune 500 companies, and I know how complex and how critical it is, and so many tests our authentication mechanism has to pass before it can be certified as a safe authentication. Okay, so please use libraries like this to add authentication to your SaaS solutions. This is Sri from Techie Talks. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Your support really helps. Have ideas or suggestions? Drop them in the comments. Let's build together. At Shogini, we offer expert NoCodeMake.com and Python AI automation consulting with ready-to-use modules to jumpstart your projects. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.